While I was in Kenya, I took the chance to fly out into the bush with Safarilink. They're one of the bigger operators, mostly doing runs out to airstrips around Kenya for people on safari, as the name suggests. And as you can see here, they also have some Dash 8s that they fly to bigger airports in the area. Where we're going, that plane would be a little too big. Safarilink has its own terminal here at Wilson Airport, the smaller local airport in Nairobi.
Currently headed out Nairobi Wilson Airport to board the Cessna Caravan out to Mara Naboisho, Ol Seki Airstrip. Pretty cool.
As far as I can recall, this is my first time ever flying the Cessna Grand Caravan. It's a fun little plane with impressive performance. Many of these airfields, including Wilson, are at high altitude. It's often hot out, and they lift quite a few people with their bags without an issue. A true workhorse. Today's run out to the Masai Mara is direct, though these tend to hop around to various airfields whenever they go out, so you never really know if you'll be making stops or not. Our flight out to Mara Naboisho is about 45 minutes long. It's not exactly spacious in here, it's neither a quiet nor a smooth ride in particular, and there's no in-flight service of course, but how cool is this?
Traffic.
We quickly leave the sprawl of Nairobi behind and get out over wide open space. It's not every day you get to land on a dirt airstrip in a place like this.
Hey guys, welcome to Ol Seki Airstrip. This trip is for everyone apart from Please stay with us on board, okay?
I spent a few nights at a nearby conservancy, and I'll put the info down in the description in case you want to know more. Here are just a few non-aviation shots to set the scene. Okay, back to the planes. The reason for this go-around was pretty quickly clear. There were animals all over the field surrounding the airstrip. Second try went well, though. So you have wildlife all over the place, including often on the airstrip. So as we wait for one of the Cessna caravans to come in, we saw a guy on a motorbike race down the airstrip and back. It's a pretty basic dirt airstrip and was at the moment covered in zebras and wildebeest. He got them out of the way, and now we can see the caravan landing, the Safarilink caravan that's going to take us into Nairobi. Time to leave this place, with 2 stops en route on the return, both pretty close by. First, we fly over to Olari Airstrip and then to the Mara North Conservancy Airstrip before heading back east to Nairobi. This takeoff feels very gradual. Not surprising, as we're full of people for this last leg. But it gets up there eventually.
Traffic.
And we're back in Nairobi just like that. Have you flown on the Grand Caravan? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments.
Traffic.
In Nairobi, for Flight Radar 24, I'm Gabriel Lee.